Okay, Toyota Estima ACR50. This is 2012 to 2015 version. Installed for Cogoo T series, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing, IPS screen, multi-angle view. Okay, Cogoo T series 2020 January version. Okay, OEM casing, prime good fitting, OEM socket, plug and play. Connect with Cogoo USB DVR, front and rear DVR. Okay, this is Cogoo USB two-way DVR CG-D90FR. Okay, just now the DVR two-way, the rear camera can use for the parking camera. Okay, Cogoo T series, flexible software control for the main page. The main page is fixed, but it's got a page 2 on the right, page 3 and on the left. So you can long press, draw your icon to the desktop, okay, for your shortcut. A full menu, setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, system, about device, a quad-core T3L, Android version 9 2020 January, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. A card setting, reverse line. Okay, extra setting, the password is 8888. So you can do some selected function setting, change your logo as well. Okay, radio, stereo control function, full menu, stereo control setting, a file manager. So Android GPS big screen player, no SD card, no DVD slot. It's come with 2 USB extension. So one USB extension we'll put in a drawer. Another USB extension already connect to the USB Cogoo DVR. So it's hidden inside behind the player. Okay, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth call, mic input, and also this is special edition Cogoo T series 2020 January version. It's got a mic extension input. Okay, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. You can share your phone music to the car player. Play Store, log in a Gmail to download app. New Cloud TV or 6 TV. This is APK install. Can view online TV. Video input and video output to connect your roof monitor. Okay, home, square icon. So you have to clear apps, create one by one or close all. Okay, nighttime driving, you turn on the headlight, it will auto dim. Okay, so this is Cogoo T series, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, IPS screen. Okay, with OEM casing for Estima and OEM socket plug and play. Installed by OneBase and video by Andy. Thank you.